Hey everyone, welcome to this daily stock forecast. As always, let's go over some trade possibilities for tomorrow. I want to start with the SPY here. As you can see, today the SPY gapped lower right into this minor support area between the 164.50 and the low of 164.20. I was looking for a pierce on the opening to the even number of 164, but as you can see, the market got a small bounce of it on it, and then we sold off further. Then we came back to this 164.20, back to this 20 moving average, and as you can see, the markets are going lower. The next major level that I have is this gap fill on the pierce of the 163. As you can see, to try to save this market here and into the close here. 20 minutes to go. I want to go over some major levels for tomorrow on the SPY. The first level on the downside will be this 162.30. I have a small level around the pierce of the 162 at the 161.93, and then a major pivot at the 161.31. Watch these levels, guys. They all can be played. Now let's go over some short levels for tomorrow. The first level that I have will be the double top from today with this 50 moving average at the 164.86. And then we have the 200 moving average and the gap fill just above around 166. Okay guys, let's go over some swing shorts that I have. I want to start with the SLV. Today I twittered out that I took a small short position on the SLV, a quarter position on the pierce of this gap window. My entry is 23.73. I'm looking for a small fall on the SLV. I will look for to grab my profits around this area, the prior pivot high. And if you want to hold longer, you can always look at second target to this 20 moving average, but I'm looking for a small pullback in the SLV. It's still a high risk trade. If you're patient, you can wait for this 200 moving average with the gap fill around 25.30. Okay, I want to go over some other names here. Tesla. This morning I sent an alert out to short Tesla when we kissed the 50 moving average on the open, just after the open. As you can see, this level, this was my short. I grabbed a quick $1.50 profit of it, and then my second half was a $3 gain. Still a strong name. As you can see, yesterday we saw a big reversal on high volume, and today we saw a retrace. So for people who wanna take a short, this was your chance here. Grab a retrace. I'm already short Tesla, so my main target will be this 20 moving average, and my stop out will be any close above this tail high. That will be my stop out. So any close above this 173, I'm stopping myself out. Let's go over some other names here. Goldman Sachs. This weekend I went over this in spirit of bear flag that was forming below this 2 moving average, and as you can see, Goldman Sachs is trading lower. I'm looking for a small long position on this level, the pierce of this this pivot low right here, the 148.74 into this 200 moving average. This will be your swing long position on Goldman Sachs. So keep your eyes open. Maybe we can kiss this level tomorrow or in the coming days. Alright, let's go over some other names here. I want to go over JP. Let's find some scalp levels for tomorrow. JP is still very weak, as you can see also to the gap lower. Then we saw a retrace for 30 minutes, and then the stock is starting to sell off here. So let's go find some scalping levels here. As you can see, we are still holding this fake print low on the 60-minute chart. Not sure if this will be the short-term low. The next level that I have for scalp long, $50.47, and then $50.12, or the peers of the $50 even number. Watch these two levels tomorrow, guys. Let's find some resistance levels first. On the upside, the first level of resistance will be this pivot high from today, 51.50, and then the gap fill with the 200 moving average around 51.80, and it can pierce to this 200 moving average around 51.93. ExxonMobil, let's find some levels here. Still a strong stock in a weaker market, as you can see. We gapped lower. We saw some buyers came in ExxonMobil here, and it's now going sideways. You can make a case that this is an in spirit of bull flag. This is the low range, and this is the high range. So we will see if we can see some upside in the coming days into ExxonMobil. The first resistance that I see will be this pivot high around 87.68, and then this 87.90, and then we have this pivot high around 88.12. On the downside, first support that I see, if you connect these lows, this will be our first support area. Then we have the low from today around 86.57, and then we have this low around 86.42. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. You can follow us on Twitter and Facebook. I will send out my daily trades through the social media. I hope you can profit from it, and thanks for watching.